Okay, you ready to go out to the garden?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Roll it up. Yeah, lead the way.
Hi. You coming out to the garden?
Rolling up to the garden.
Okay, show the way, Miriam. What do we have here? This is Ginger.
Yep.
Oh,
Ginger.
that's Ginger. Do you like ginger?
Pineapple.
Pineapple? Is it sharp? It's kind of sharp, isn't it? Miriam, where's the beans?
Here.
Yeah. What's the name in Tagalog?
Sita.
Sita. Yeah, very good. I actually caught footage of some of this okra a couple weeks back with the drone. Before it was just flowering and these plants were much smaller now. It's actually got okra. Check that out. Alright. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that.
What are those?
Tomatoes.
You love tomatoes,
That's
huh?
coconut.
Where?
On the ground.
Oh, I just saw a ball and coconut in the ground there. You know what these are? Hmm? These are cowpeas. So these are actually the second set of vegetables that have been grown here after the pechay. So we've already harvested all the pechay and mustard, and now we're growing cowpeas with the purpose of replenishing the nutrients in the soil, because cowpeas are legumes, so they bring back the nitrogen in the soil. The pechay and mustard have used up. So nutrient cycling, folks. Crop rotation. It works.
It's chili plants.
Where?
There, here.
There. There are a lot of chili plants. Do you like chili?
No.
Who likes chili? This is called talinum. It's kind of like a spinach here in the Philippines, and was it used for being?
Well, if you need greens for soups, you can have that for salads. This is
Ave
kamote over here.
Oh, this is black pepper. It's a climber, so they climb on the side of a wall.
I'm gonna show you a little piece of land here that my parents used for some container gardening. So even though we have some vegetables planted in wider areas of our lot, this is an area that's about 1 meter by 2.5 meters. They used a metal grid platform that they propped up on metal tubes. That way the planting area itself would be elevated from the ground where the usual pests are found. So they're quite protected in that way. So this is lettuce. So these are going to be harvested later today. They took us by surprise how fast they grew. These are little chili plants. The bigger chili plants are over here. And these are sweet basil plants, which are perfect for pasta dishes like puttanesca. These are eggplants. So it's really healthy, good for our daily consumption. It saves a lot when it comes to having to provide food for the family. Okay, so in a very small area, they were able to produce a lot of crops. So this is good for people who don't have a lot of space around their houses to begin with. So container gardening or vertical gardening is the way to go. If you can't grow around, grow upwards.
What are you doing? Is that what you like? That's what you want for lunch?
This one.
Tomatoes?
This is not the red.
You just eat them whole, huh?
This is red. These are red. This is red also. I got 3.
Yeah. exaggerate. Tomatoes. No, I have to wash them. Remember? Without exaggerating, Miriam would eat all of those if we let her. She's a tomato monster, isn't she? No. What are you? How many tomatoes do you usually eat?
There's 2 there.
I mean, every other day. Kind of a lot, huh? Why do you like it? What does it taste like?
Like tomato.
It tastes like tomato? That's why you like it? Yeah? Did you know that the sauce that we put on spaghetti, pasta, that comes from tomatoes? Did you know that? Sometimes you don't like to eat that. Or the sauce that's on pizza, the pizza sauce, that's tomato. Sometimes you don't even like to eat pizza. Even if it's pizza that you cooked yourself.
I like chicken.
You like chicken?
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't even eat chicken.
Yes, I eat with sauce.
With sauce?
Yes, makes it good.
What kind of sauce?
Tomato.
Chicken with tomato sauce? You've never had chicken with tomato sauce.
I want 2.
2 more? This is how she gets away with it. Just a couple at a time, you know. I just want 2, that's all. That's innocent enough, right? Then 2 becomes 4 or 5, and then, 2 more. Okay, I'm gonna wash these, okay? Don't worry, I'm coming back. Oh, she's gonna reach back into the basket. I saw that. I think I caught that on film. You can't stop yourself, can you? Hey everybody, these are the times, it's really like a wake-up call, you know, to start getting back to growing our own vegetables. That's why we're calling this smart gardening, because 1, it's easy on your pocket, you know, this is budget friendly. Once you get the vegetables going, they basically pay for themselves very quickly, you know. There's things like the lettuce that you don't have to uproot every time you go to harvest, you just snip off the tops and it keeps growing. So it's beautifully accommodating for your pocket. Everybody wants that, right? And also for your health, you know? Who doesn't want better nutrition in their lives? Who doesn't want to be eating their own salads every day that they've grown 80% in their own garden, you know? And also, health-wise, you don't have to leave home as much either to go out and get your basic necessities. It's all right out there in the garden for you. You get out there, you get your vitamin D, and then you get your
fresh air, exercise.
Yeah, it's a win-win-win-win-win situation. Thanks for tuning in. Please join us next time.
And don't forget to subscribe.